everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a factory X22 D80 RS SS big block Camaro, guys. Gorgeous car, man. I can't tell you how much I like this car. I bought this car from a buddy of mine out of North Carolina. He's a dealer. This was actually his personal car. He bought the car. He's a third owner on the car. He bought the car from a buddy of his who's owned this car for 29 years. So it spent most of its life in North Carolina. The car was bought brand new in Tennessee, and I do have a copy of the original A title for the car, Tennessee title, as well as some of the original paperwork when the car was bought. But killer car, factory Cortez silver, factory deluxe Hounds Tooth interior, and again, a factory X22 D80 big block car. Very nicely done. I'm going to tell you right now, I've driven a lot of Camaros in the 30 years I've been doing this. This car runs and drives excellent. Really hits the road good, nice and tight, doesn't squeak, doesn't rattle. And probably the most amazing thing that I got when Ronnie told me this car was actually restored 20 years ago. I would think this car's got 500 miles on it. There's not a whole lot you can really nitpick on it. There's a couple little breaks in the paint that I'll show you, but man, is this car nice. Front and rear spoilers. You can see it's got the bumperettes front and rear on the bumpers. Steel cowl hood. It's been upgraded. It's got a 502 cubic inch GM crate engine underneath the hood. We've got the paperwork for that. And I'm telling you guys, pretty car. Glass is nice. And I mean, you can nitpick. I'm talking about little things like that. You're nitpicking on this car. This car is gorgeous. Nice and clean underneath. It's had one panel replaced, I believe, on it. This quarter panel over here is new. Sorry, guys, just some marks on the bumper there. Car's nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the factory GM 15-inch rally wheels with the flat caps, which I love. I'm not a top hat guy. I like the flat caps on these cars. Good car. Pretty car. Yeah, this car's got a good look. Again, it's a GM 502 cubic inch crate engine. I believe it's 442 horse, steel crank. I've got the paperwork with all the specs on it. Pump gas engine, Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's cool they left the Winters GM aluminum intake on the car. Power steering, power disc brakes, stock exhaust manifolds. 400 turbohydramatic transmission. Big block radiator. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Yeah, I really dig this car, man. Pretty car. Yeah, I know, crack there in the paint. You can see they replaced the window fuzzies. I mean, the door handles are new. Again, you said this car was restored 20 years ago. You can't tell that by looking at this car. There's definitely not many miles on this car, I can tell you that. Factory deluxe interior, so it's got the deluxe door pads in it. You can tell they've replaced the carpet. Repadded and refoamed all the seats, or recovered and refoamed all the seats. Bucket seats, console. It's got the tilt column with the sports steering wheel. Big guys like me appreciate that. $95,331 on the odometer. There's that, even the clock works, guys. There's even like a couple of the North Carolina safety inspections that kind of trace the mileage. You can trace the miles on the car. The only thing I couldn't get to work was that radio. I think that's a factory GM Delco AM FM radio, but I couldn't get it to work. Flowmaster dual exhaust. I think I said 400 turbo trans, 12 bolt 355 limited slip rear end. Factory jack, red line spare. This is all your paperwork. Again, copy of the original A Tennessee title. Pull this up, try not to rip it, but see, it's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Again, that quarter, this passenger quarter's been replaced. Driver's quarter's original. I believe the rest of the panels on this car are original. Doors open and close real nice. Like I say, the fit and finish is really nice on the car. Glass is nice. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick. That's really all I'm doing, is trying to nitpick the car for you. Now, I was excited to get this car bought, man. I really like this car. I probably put, I don't know, about 10 miles on the car. And like I say, it hit the road really nice. Nice and tight. Just got the wood grain dash there. Steering wheel's really nice. Pretty car. Real pretty car. Great run in 502, guys. Yeah, I really like this car right here, man. The car's just got a great look. It's just a quality car. It just gets harder and harder to find this stuff. Gauges are working. I know those lights work. Hit your brakes. Yeah, I know those work. We must have bumped something out. Put it in reverse. Yeah, backup lights. I know that brake light worked, guys. I don't know if when we, oh, I bet you, yeah. Give it a little rev, son. Blower motor works. Could not get the radio to work. The radio doesn't work. Yeah, those are functional. Well, gotta give it a hand, I guess. There it goes. Gotta love old cars, man. They're temperamental. Perfect. Ah, maybe one's got to close. It's just got to wink at you, I guess. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Great way to see the new stuff as it comes in. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, he's got a nice car right there, man. guys.